Vendor, assistant shot on recreational grounds in Duane Park. Ex-boyfriend of burnt victim Alisa King arrested. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A vendor and his assistant were on Wednesday morning shot in Duane Park, St. Andrew. The vendor, a man, has reportedly died. Reports reaching the news media are that the vendor and his assistant, a woman, were at the Duane Park recreational grounds about 9 a.m. when a man walked up to them and opened gunfire. The woman was shot in the leg while the vendor received several gunshot wounds. Their attacker escaped. The identity of the vendor has not yet been made public by the police. The police today arrested the ex-boyfriend of Alisa King, who was severely burned in her sleep last August. Antoine Gray, 18, was apprehended this afternoon in Central Village, St. Catherine, in a joint police operation. This came a day after King, who was 17 at the time, returned to Jamaica from the United States, where she underwent treatment.